morning, everybody. Today is a very special day. Sorry if you can hear some banging in the background. We have builders round at the moment. But the reason today is so special is because it's my birthday. Whoop whoop. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. But in all seriousness, it's my birthday today and I'm 14, which is crazy because it feels like just yesterday I was 12 and the day before I was 10. But I'm 14, which is absolutely crazy, and I've got a couple of things planned today. So me, my mum and my dad are planning to go for brunch together somewhere in Shoreditch, and then we are going to have a little mooch around Soho and Shoreditch, and in the evening we are going to go out for dinner. So lots of exciting stuff planned today, but first I thought I would just show you all of the amazing presents that I have received from my family today. So I've got some books, some makeup, lots of clothes this year, which I'm super happy about. And yes, let the birthday shenanigans commence. So guys, I've just got ready. I have put on some of my birthday clothes. Could you hold this and do a little birthday overview of what I'm wearing? Okay. So, shall I show everyone what I'm wearing? Okay, yeah, go. So this is the top. I got this for my birthday and it's from Topshop. Turn around, let's see what it looks like. I know what it looks like actually, I bought it for you. Yeah, let's just show the viewers. And I've also got this bum bag, which I've been loving at the moment. I've just got like really festival style at the moment, and I've just been using a bum bag for everything, so it's a good size and you don't have to hold it. I've got this skirt, which I also got from Topshop. I'm all Topshopped out, basically. I've got a Topshop top, Topshop skirt. And this is a bit out of my comfort zone, because I don't usually wear green, especially when it comes to skirts and things like that. But I actually really like it. These two, top and bottoms, go really well together. So, Mummy, you know me very well. Yeah. And then my sandals are from New Look. I really love them. I've had them for a while now. And I'm the worst with buckles, so they're really great if you're not very good at putting buckles on, which I'm not. But that's it really. So my dad just went out to get me a morning coffee to start off my birthday, and I'm waiting for Mummy to get ready, and then we're gonna go out for breakfast. So I'll see you guys then. So guys, we are in Shoreditch. Are we in Shoreditch? Yeah, we are. Yeah. So we're in Shoreditch now, and we just arrived. And we are going to walk to the place that we are going to go for brunch. It's called Ozone. We've been here before, but just for lunch, and it was really, really yummy, so I'm very excited. I was trying to book like brunch really last minute yesterday, and so I even asked I asked my Instagram followers where were good places to go, and you guys suggested loads of things, but I just all of a sudden thought of Ozone, and it's just a walking place, so we may have to wait. But I'm very excited to go and eat some food because I've not eaten anything today, so yum yum yum. So, wagwan.
Wagwan. What we say? What's the plan today, buddy?
Right, so we just finished up having. This is really light. Okay. We just finished up having brunch, and it's now lunchtime. They took quite a while to bring us the food, so we've lost a couple of hours. But now we're gonna. I don't actually know. I think we're gonna go to Soho.
I don't know, it's your
Soho.
birthday, mate.
I think we're going to go to Soho. We were supposed to get an ice cream today, but I don't know if I can stomach it.
So that was the plan, literally to get an ice cream, but now you've got to stomach it, so what are we going to do
I
now?
don't know. Maybe if I see the place I'll be able to.
Shall we just skip until we can't?
Yeah, let's skip. Oh no, I can't see it. My shoes don't let me skip.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my true to love. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah, yeah.
everybody. So we just went to get some ice cream at a place called Chin Chin Labs, which is in Soho. There's one in Camden as well, but we decided to go to the Soho one. And I had a burnt butter caramel ice cream. I've got this really dry bit of skin here that needs some serious moisturising. But anyway, off topic. Yeah, because I was going to have a coffee non Avoyo ice cream, but they'd sold out, which is a little bit annoying. But the one that I got was still lovely. Alex, what did you get?
What did I get?
Tonka bean.
Tonka bean.
With
chocolate fudge, but I didn't taste the Tonka bean in the end. It was
pure fudge.
Fudge, which is fine.
So, Dad, you weren't too keen on the Tonka bean, were you?
Mummy told me it was vanilla and it wasn't vanilla. Mummy said it tastes like vanilla. It doesn't
Mummy!
taste anything like vanilla.
Sorry.
She might as well have got me strawberry ice
I had the
cream.
delicious one.
Yeah.
I had that Valrhona chocolate with the hazelnut crumb, and it was. I wish I could have another one actually.
Yeah, my family likes ice cream, if you can tell. So now we're on our way home. I'm going to chill for a bit, tidy up my room because it's literally full of wrapping paper and confetti and just gifty things. So I'm going to tidy my room up a little bit and then I'm going to get ready for dinner. I just feel like all we're doing today is eating. Pretty much. Get dressed, eat. Go back home, get dressed, eat.
Yeah.
And have a snack in between. Hi there. So I have just done my makeup. As you can see, I've got some products that I got for my birthday on my face, and I've just put on this little two-piece which has this black crop top and a skirt. But we're on our way to the Bloomsbury Hotel for dinner. Mummy, say hello. Actually, Tasha, say hello. Hello. I can't. There.
Yes, on
Alex. We're a little bit late because there were lots of people that wanted to use the bathroom because we are allowed to use the bathroom today for the first time in 7 weeks. So everyone wanted to be the first to have a bath. I was the first one to have a bath because I'm the birthday girl. But yeah, that's it for now, really. We are at... I've already talked about them.
I can't take myself seriously. So we were at Dalloway. What's it called? What's it called?
I'll do it. Should I show you how it's done?
No.
So guys, we have
Is it even on?
Yes.
No, I did it better.
No, I did it better. Thank you very much. Who did it better? Let's vote.
No,
Me.
let's not vote because that's. Go. So carry on.
It's what, sushi? So I've just eaten and now I'm waiting for some milk for this coffee because I can't drink black coffee. And then it's time to go home, watch Love Island, and that's it.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Nikki. Happy birthday to you.
Right, it's not sharing cake.
Yay!
Well, what cake is that?
Super.
Hey everyone, so I'm back at home now. I have taken my makeup off, tidied up my room a little bit and put on some PJs because I'm pretty tired, so I thought I'd better do everything before I get too relaxed. But today has been an absolutely amazing day. I've had such a good time, and considering that I wasn't really that excited for my birthday this year because of everything that happened earlier in the month with my health and things like that, it's been, I think I've got a hair in my mouth. Yeah, I have. It's been a really good day, so thank you to everyone, my family, my friends, and you guys who are my friends and family that have made my birthday as good as it has been. I didn't even know if I was going to be able to go out for my birthday, so the fact that I've been able to go out and do everything that I have today has been incredible. So thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for just being your amazing selves and showing me so much love and support. I'm 14 now, which is crazy when you consider that 6 years ago I started making videos. Is it 6? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, 5 years ago I started making videos, which is insane. So thank you guys so much for your support, and I love you guys so much, and I will see you very soon. So yeah, make sure to follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. I'm trying to grow my Instagram because I don't really talk about it much on YouTube, but I'm really trying to get into posting daily. So if you want to see what I get up to more regularly, then Instagram is where it's at. My Instagram is nikkilily_, so make sure to follow that. I will leave a link down below. I love you guys so much. I will see you very soon, and yeah, bye.